I haven't really practiced, man, to be honest, on that.
Yeah, start practicing, man. You can practice in Katakoda online. You can practice, and you can practice in your own system. You can just install Python. Atik is joining. Okay, good. You can just install Python from internet and open Python. Oh, I don't want to open like this. Let me go into PowerShell of Windows. Oh, too small font. I will open in this. Then let me type Python. Okay, Python 2.x, anything is fine. Let me open Python 3 because that's the latest. Yes, Python 3 is better. Yeah, you can open the Python shell like this and you can practice. Is it very tough to practice, man? This one, Python thing, at least to start?
For me, it is because I've never been a programming guy, you know, and I was just getting a hang of the
Okay,
bash and
so
Linux.
this thing, let's do like a recap so that whatever we discussed so far, we'll do. And I taken your request. I was discussing with Ilyas Ahmad as well. So that way, we'll take only one. Means I will take and I will complete all the courses so that we can get into Ilyas teaching of Docker, whatever he wants to teach, he can teach later. So right now, I'll only focus on teaching. Okay, let's do this thing. I'll make you the host. You share your screen. Let's start one by one. Let's spend this session just to make sure. I mean, some of you guys or most of you guys are comfortable. Mateen is new, so Mateen is a big data guy. But I told him be in the DevOps classes because big data also they needs everyone. So I'm making you the host, and let me see if we can do so that I can just record here itself in my system. I'm making you to start video. Can you start video? See if you can share the screen.
Yeah, what do you want me to share?
Your screen.
What on my screen, buddy? That's what I'm asking. There's nothing on my screen. What do you want me to share?
That's fine. Okay, let me make you the host. You are the host now. You can share your screen. If there is nothing also fine, let's make it something so that you'll be comfortable in programming first. Since you've never done programming, actually, you know, Python is very easy. Nowadays, even 7th grade or 8th grade kids are actually learning Python. It's so easy.
Yeah, I've just never been a programming guy, man. I hate it.
That's fine. Are you married or not married?
I am married.
How old is your kid?
My kid is 5.
In next 2 to 3 years, he will say, Dad, this is how Python works. I'm not joking.
Yeah, maybe.
Because I mean, it's so easy, man, so easy. And nowadays kids are too brilliant. So in next few years, maybe your kid will say, Dad, this is how Python works. Don't you know? I mean,
yeah,
I'm just
probably.
kidding. It's so easy. Yeah, share your screen. Let's discuss your stuff. Let me start my sharing so that you can share. Anyway, recording is going on. Atik and Mateen. Oh, Mateen, you can only chat. I know you cannot talk because you have some laptop issues. That's fine. Yeah, but I'm active here. Good, very good. As long as you're active, that's very good. Okay, I'm waiting for Tabish screen to come. Like you can open your this is Windows or Mac. Which one is yours, Tabish?
Windows.
Okay, open your command prompt, or you can open your entire screen. Yeah, type Python.
I did.
Type Python 3. Actually, I can take control of your system. Yes. So I requested control of your system. No, this thing is opening from the Microsoft thing, not required. Okay, open a browser like Chrome browser. Now, what I will do, let me download Python in your system first. You are one of the active guys, the most I would say active guys who is really practicing something. So I want to really make sure you're comfortable first.
Yeah, man. But I just don't like the Python, man. That's
You will like, man. I'm
confusing,
telling you,
man.
if you don't like within the next 3 years, your
Confusing.
kid is going to say, Dad, I know Python. What are you doing? You still don't know Python. You're a DevOps guy. I mean,
Confusing,
I'm
man.
telling you, within his 10 years, in next 5 years, he's going to know what is DevOps also. At least the basics. I mean, nowadays kids are so fast. Can I download it too? Yes, please, Matin. Yes, you also can download. That's the purpose of this recording. I want all the participants to do what exactly I'm doing. Yes, very good. Do it. Atik, you also can do the same thing. And very good.
Okay.
So yes, you can just search Python download. Doesn't matter whether your system is Windows or this thing. Only for Ansible, you need to have more Linux presence. All other stuff, pretty much you can done on Windows. Docker and Kubernetes is very tricky. We need to practice those two online. But for more other stuff, Git, Jenkins, more other stuff, you can practice in your Windows system itself. Yes, even though we have Linux and Mac, still Windows is the most used OS in the world. So I'm just going to Python download, clicking on download Python. That's it. The latest one you need to download. It will take probably some 3-4 minutes to download. Let's anyway wait in Tabish system. Tabish Alavi. That's your full name, Tabish?
Correct.
Why is it not downloading? Wait.
It did. It did.
Is it downloading?
It did.
Okay. Once it downloads, wait. Don't use this default location. Let's use 1 minute. Add Python 3.8 to path. I'm clicking on customize installation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Install for all users. Yes. Add Python to environment variables. Yes, this is a good thing. So that the moment you install, you can just run Python. It is easy, damn easy. Atik, you want to ask some questions right now?
No, sir, I don't have any questions. Right.
Okay, Atik.
I'm also downloading Python 3.8.
Yeah, right now in Hyderabad, is internet good? Oh, it's early
Yeah,
morning. It might be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, some places you get even very good GBPS. In Bangalore, yeah, I remember was getting very good with ACT. Very, very good.
Yeah.
You get like 70 Mbps. Even better than USA.
I'm using ACT only, sir.
But how good is in your area, boss? Is it okay or very good?
Yeah, it's good.
Oh, a lot of stuff you have got, man. Tabish? Yeah, it will take some time to install. See Python core interpreter in the screen. See Python, even though you do some compilation, whatever, it's an interpreter language. Fine, what type of language is different because you've never done programming? Let's come from a beginner point of view. Meanwhile, let's open your Chrome browser. Open the Chrome browser. Yes. Now, what we will do, I will open my favorite.
Hey, Raghu, are we ever going to go back to practicing that Docker and Jenkins and all of that again or no? Or is that done?
Definitely, yes. We are going to practice. In fact, the basic Linux, basic Git commands you can practice. Guys can ask me questions anytime. But yes, Jenkins with Docker, with even Ansible,
Yep.
all these things we're going to do again, because it's not like one time do and go again. No, we are going to practice Docker again.
What about AWS and all of that?
Yes, definitely we're going to discuss. This is
Okay.
not just like 1 or 2 weeks course. This is a continuous one. We are going to discuss a lot of stuff. Yes, this might go for at least another 1 to 2 months easily.
Mhm. Okay.
We're going to discuss a lot of stuff. So check. Oh, it's still installing.
Sir, in my computer, I've downloaded Python. How to open the Python?
You can just double click the exe file. You go to your downloads folder, double click the exe, it will just start installing. Exe
Yeah,
or
it has been.
.ms.
Yeah, it has been installed in my PC. How to open?
It's already installed. Open your command prompt and just type Python or Python 3. Just to check whether Python is there or not. Open your command prompt, just double and open, just type Python in your command prompt. Do you know what is command prompt in Windows, Satik?
Yeah, we can do command.
Yes,
Okay.
open command prompt and just type Python. Just to see whether
Okay.
Python is installed or not. In your case, it's almost installing, I think. Let's see.
Yeah, sir, I have opened a command prompt.
Okay. Tabish, then wait, Atik. Tabish, have any time done anything called shell scripting or no?
I have practiced a little bit, yeah.
So what is shell scripting according to you, Tabish? It's a programming, right?
Correct.
Same thing you're doing in Python, that's it.
Yeah, but the commands are different, right? So my mind
Obviously,
cannot.
everything will not be same, boss.
That's what I'm trying to
See,
tell you. That's what I'm trying
even
to
though
tell you.
your kid is your son, he
I
doesn't
can
look exactly like you,
comprehend
isn't
something.
it?
Yeah, but you know the way the human brain works, I can comprehend something. I
Yeah.
can't comprehend everything, man. I just can't.
Yes, I agree. You can't
I
understand
tried
everything.
Python. I tried Python two years ago, and I didn't like it. So
You will make it this time. You will make it.
I'll try it again. I don't know, man.
You will definitely make it. See.
Maybe, man. Let's see.
Come on, you are such an interesting participant. If you don't understand, others will not understand. Come on. Let's wait till it installs completely, because I understood you have not understood. I mean, you have not got it. Let's wait till it installs. Yes, Matin, you also can download it and install it, Python. Then why to record this stuff? We can actually pause the recording. Yeah, he's also done enable installing. Okay, now close this, Tabish. Now open the command prompt. Do you know how to open the command prompt, Tabish? Yes. You open the command prompt. Just type Python.
All right. Actually, let me exit out of this one.
Windows plus R. Yes. That's a shortcut. Yes. Yeah. Open it and type Python. What are you doing? No, don't drag it. Just press open there. Yeah, type Python, Python.
The hell, man.
Yeah, just type 1 plus 2. Just type.
Space or no space?
Anything is fine. Just type it. So now basically you have done a computation. Let's say you want to use something like this. A equal to 1. B equal to 2. Now you will say C equal to A plus B. Let's type C. So 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Same way, C equal to A plus B. Now you are saying these three are variables. C, A, B are variables. C equal to A plus B. So C is computed by A and B. So you're getting a value of 3. So what is C with respect to Python? Let's see. There is something called type command. You can see what is C. I mean, what is the type of C? C is the type of class int. Class int.
Integer.
Okay. Now let's do a different thing. I will say str1, string 1. I will use some name. You can use double quotes or single quotes. I would say 1, one. Then I will use another thing, str2 equal to this time I use single quotes. Let's see the values of str1 and str2. str1, str2. Now let's take any one thing out of this. I will just type type of str2. What kind of variable is this? Class str. Now let me type str plus str2. I'm just adding 2 strings in Python. You are concatenating them. You are actually adding them. The way you can join the strings in Python is multiple options. You can use plus, you can even use period, full stop. Let's try this one, wait. Oh, I'm applying wrongly, I think. Yeah, it's taking like a method, so that's not a good thing. So let's stick to this one, str1 plus str2.
So why was the period one not working?
Now what we'll do is we'll give like a str3. I will say this value is str3. Just like C equal to A plus B, str3 equal to str1 plus str2. Now let's see what is the value of str3, which we saw already. So str3 value is 1, 2. It is again a string. How will you find out? Like this.
str3.
So it's of class string. Now type is a method in Python to understand what are the type of your variable. There is one more method called dir. Dir of str3. This shows what are the methods possible for a string of this thing. Now what we call this is an object. In Python, any variable you say it's an object. So A is an object, B is an object, C is an object, str1, str2, str3, anything is Python is an object. And to understand the object type, it will associate automatically. How you will associate the type? How do you know the type? Using the type command. Now have you understood what I told so far, Tabish?
Yes.
Yes. Now, so when I did dir of str3, these are the methods. For example, string, let's take upper. Upper is even more simpler. Let's do, I think, str3 dot upper. Now it's saying you have a method of str3 which is valid, and it's saying it's a built-in method of str object. Str is nothing but our class. Let me try something which is not existing. Upper 1, 2, 3. I know it's not existing.
So what does all this mean? What does upper mean? What is
Let me do it, then you can ask. Wait. So now if you do str3 dot upper and we call it, you are converting it to an uppercase. So what that means, whatever the list means is, these are the various methods of your string object. Methods. Methods means functions. Upper means you will make it as a uppercase. Lower means you will take it as a lowercase. Strip. Strip in Python of a string is nothing but you are splitting it. If you don't know what we are talking, we can check it like this. Python str upper. If you don't understand what you are seeing, you can do like this, Google search. Geeks for Geeks is a good one, but I don't, at least for documentation, we should see the standard documentation, this ones. docs.python.org is a better way, inbuilt documentation. Since we are looking at version 3.8.2, I would recommend go with 3.8.2 or 3.x, which we call. So if you see here, let's see what is upper in here. In this page, let's search for upper. Control F, upper. Is upper is different. We want is normal upper. So you asked what are these means? These are the methods of the string object. If you see directly like this, you will completely get confused. You will feel like sleeping. That's the reason I didn't show you everything at the start. Upper. So basically, string is nothing but a class. Our str3 belongs to the Python class of str, which is a class. Upper method means you create all the letters into uppercase. I think you know what is uppercase and lowercase, correct?
No.
Don't you know what is uppercase and lowercase in English? Yes or no?
Of course I do, man.
Because if you don't know English, I don't know how to teach you English.
Yeah.
Fine. Upper means it converts all the characters into uppercase. Lower means it will convert into here. If you don't know how, you just do the same Google search and you can understand. And last video, we were discussing about strip. Problem is it will talk about all the things. Let me talk from the class name, str.strip. Yes. So what does strip do? It will, I think we are talking about split, I think. It will remove the empty spaces. If you see this one, which is a string, when you apply dot strip, what it does, just removes empty spaces from the front as well as back. So let's do the same thing here. Oh, no, your code. Open your command prompt, Tabish. Yes. So now, let me create another string. I would say new underscore str, new string. So I'll give some lot of spaces, something like junk name. So I'm wantedly creating a lot of spaces. Let me see what is this new underscore str. So it has a lot of spaces. Now, new underscore str dot strip. It just removes the extra spaces front and back, not in the middle. Note that point. It not in the middle, front and back. So if you don't know something, this is nothing but a methods of an object. So if you say an object will have some methods you can apply on them. So for string object, these are the methods you can see. Which ones? These are the ones. How did you see that? Using the dir command. That's exactly we discussed in the last class. So frankly speaking, last class we never thought about, discussed about Python programming. We are talking about some basic concepts. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, any questions so far, Tabish? If you not understood, we'll stop here. If you understood, we'll proceed further. Have you understood till now or no?
Yes, I'm starting to understand.
Okay, then we'll stop it here. No point in proceeding. You take your time, digest it. Okay, Mateen has understood very good. I'm sure Atik would have followed. You take your time,
Yes,
you just digest this. Again, we'll discuss on this in Thursday's class. We'll discuss more. So that way you have a good understanding. You practice it. If you have questions, you can ask in the same WhatsApp group. And I think we can stop it in next 5-6 minutes. Anyway, remaining time is 6 minutes. We'll stop in the next 6 minutes.
So the
Okay.
good way to practice would be to use tutorials point.
I mean, you can use anything. I would say go with that, because simple site means you don't learn too many things. You learn very few things. Even if you get confused within that, you can just stop there. I mean, my preference, you can learn from anything. If you ask the same question to Ilyas, Ahmad, Bakhtiyar, he will say something else. Same thing if you ask to Anjali, she will say, I don't have time to practice, but I'm able to follow. So every person will speak in a differently. So whatever we have practiced anyway is going to be the recording. We're going to upload into the YouTube, and I mean, you guys can discuss offline. So Mateen has followed till now. Okay, good. Atik, I'm sure you would have followed till now. Then,
sir.
so this is a basic stuff. Which is a basic stuff? This opening the command in Python, and you can do. So basically, we're not even discussed about the actual programming. We are discussing about some fundamental concepts. So you said some sort of you understood till now. You can practice first whatever we discussed now on the last class, pretty much the same thing. Then what we were discussing, basic syntax, I think you can leave because you don't even understand what it is now. And I think let's stop here. That's okay. You practice it, you ask the questions. In the meanwhile, in the group, you know, in the part of the group, you can ask anyone, and we can again discuss. So Thursday, we'll start with this, and you can show what you have understood. From there, we'll go further. Since you're having a very difficult timing in programming, I think this Python specific stuff we'll do in your system as much as possible. Okay, Tabish, Alavi?
All right, man. Have a good one.
Okay. I know you are not fully understood the stuff. I got it. We'll discuss slowly on this. Atik and Mateen, if you have any questions, you can ask me or you can type it in the chat window. We have another 4 minutes right now. I mean, again, why to join and newly. So do you guys have any questions right now? Atik and Mateen? Oh,
I
Fahim
don't have.
joined. Fahim is Hafiz. Hafiz, why did you join DevOps? You want to learn DevOps? Hafiz? Okay, he's on mute probably. Fine. Okay, then Mateen is saying no questions. Okay, guys, let's wind up here. See you on Thursday with respect to the Python class. We'll continue from the dir command. We stopped at dir command. We'll continue from there. And let's see what Tabish has further questions after his practice. Okay, Tabish? Okay? Fine, man. See you guys. Bye then.
All right, we'll try. Later.
Yeah.